Another grim milestone for COVID-19. Tonight, the White House marking 1 million deaths. And as the U.S. continues fighting the war on this virus, new data shows booster shots may be more important than ever.
So in tonight's Health Minute, Mandy Gaither has more on what's being done in memory of those who have lost their lives.
At the White House, flags flown at half-staff in memory of 1 million Americans who have lost their lives to COVID-19.
1 million COVID deaths. 1 million empty chairs around the family dinner table. Each irreplaceable.
President Biden says the pandemic isn't over. Latest numbers from the CDC show COVID-19 cases caused by an Omicron offshoot have nearly doubled over the past 2 weeks, causing more than 40% of new infections in the U.S. last week.
That's just the confirmed cases. And we know so many people either don't get tested or have rapid tests.
While health officials say vaccination is the best way to protect against severe sickness, new CDC data shows more vaccinated people are dying of COVID-19 as vaccine effectiveness wanes over time and transmission rates tick up. The CDC says about 40% of COVID-19 deaths in January and February were among vaccinated people, but only about 15% of deaths in February were among people who were vaccinated and boosted.
We're quite concerned even about the summer, particularly in the areas of the country where vaccinations rates are not so high, people are not so much up to date.
The FDA's commissioner says the concern is even higher for COVID-19 case rates in the fall and winter.
In the next month or two, we'll be looking carefully at the composition and the recommendations for vaccination in the fall.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
The FDA commissioner says there will be a consideration of a recommendation that the COVID-19 vaccine be given the same time as the flu vaccine every year, but nothing is concrete just yet.
We'll keep you posted.